We have 2 boys. Charlie is 9 and Emery is 6. Charlie is a type 1 diabetic. He was diagnosed about 2 years ago.
I looked at him in the face and said, I don't want to have this conversation with you, but I have to. This bag keeps you alive.
So Emery, just a few days after he turned 1, he started having seizures. He's been diagnosed with a rare genetic disorder called STX-BP1, and he is on the autism spectrum. He has a rare speech disorder called childhood apraxia of speech.
So a lot of therapy, a lot of doctor's visits, neurologists, therapists.
Last year, I had a TIA, a mini stroke. I was only 32. They did all the tests, couldn't find any reason why I would have had this, and the only answer was stress. And I can't really eliminate stress from my life when I take care of 2 boys with disabilities. So we heard about Imagine 360 through my husband's employer at the time. They switched to Imagine 360 last year. I was nervous about it because I've dealt with insurance a lot, and I knew that there would be a lot of change. We called them. Everybody was super friendly, and they helped us, they listened, and they called us back whenever they said that they would, which was a really great first impression. Now, being able to have more services and help that Emery needs, I'm able to focus on me a little bit more, and I've really started to see improvements in my health in the last 6 months.
So Imagine 360 has helped Charlie through his diabetes journeys in so many ways. There was an instance back in the summer where he was at a church camp doing what little boys do, just having a good time, but went through his diabetic supplies quicker than we had anticipated. I was several hours away, not able to get those supplies to her, and within an hour or 2, we were able to get the supplies we needed.
The pharmacist was amazed. He said he'd never seen anything turned around so quickly. They really worked with us. They understood the importance of needing these filled earlier than they were due, and they worked with us to get it done in a timely manner. They just went above and beyond on their customer care.
Imagine 360 helped us get into Emery's new therapy clinic. That was something that was not even an option for us. Just to be able to get the foot in the door and talk to them was progress. But then to take it the step further and say, no, we think this is important for your son. We see how this benefits his life. We see how this changes his life. And so we're willing to fight for you and be able to help make it affordable. And now my son is getting the help that he needs.
We've seen a huge impact at home. He interacts more with his brother, and he wants to spend time with him. It's been such a great experience.
If my employer were to switch insurance away from Imagine 360, I would seriously consider seeking employment elsewhere because it means so much to our family. This is what insurance is supposed to be. Like, I had a team of people that backed me, backed my family, cared, supported my family, and we prosper and excel because of it.